Good morning. So, by the way, Happy New Year. Please press subscribe if you like what I'm showing you and help me get more things out, because I'd like to share all sorts of different ideas, and I've got a lot to do in my backyard, so I'm kind of sharing everything as I go along. So we use two different manufacturers on this pathway. Wanted to make it safe for my father-in-law, so I used the Tuscany 2x2 pavers and then the Belgard Catalina. And I've got both large and small on the Catalina Grana, but we used only the small set for going around the large stones. And the paver stones are in the Tuscany color for the center 2x2s, and then Victorian for the Catalina Grana, and then the Country Manor wall on the right hand side. And you can see my vegetables over there also. So get a little creative, change things up, use two different manufacturers, and kind of blend it along. So anyway, Dave Pratt, please press subscribe if you enjoy what you see. Sorry, there's always a mute button if you're going to cough. Anyway, 714-588-8634. Share, subscribe, and definitely let people know about my channel. Thank you. By the way, I'm out.